Welcome everyone! In this video, we will explain how to run the text recognition manually, in case the text is not recognized instantly after importing. Before we start with this video, it's good to remind that after importing a document, DataSnipper will use text recognition to analyze all the text. Afterward, you can use the text snip to link the text to your Excel workbook. However, when a document is very complex, such as manual writing, the automatic text analysis might not always work instantly after importing. Here's an example. We've imported a document with manual writings. When doing a text snip, DataSnipper does not recognize the text yet. To rerun the text recognition, click the Recognize Text button. The document indicates, indeed, that no text was found on the first try. Let's run the test. Now, when using the text snip again, the text is copied and linked to the Excel workbook. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos to learn more. Happy snipping!